Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's video and also welcome back to my channel. And before we even begin this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always receive notifications. And today I'll be showing you how to do a different topic like I always do. And also, after you watch this video, or you can do it just now, don't forget to like this video. And also, if you really like it and you find it useful, but then again you can always wait till the end and like it then. So say if somebody asks you out of the blue 1225, what is its square root? Will you know what is the square root of 1225? Well, if you don't, then that's okay, because when you watch this video you'll be an expert at it. Also remember that you need practice as well. And this will also be an amazing way of embarrassing your friends. Okay, so the first things first, we need to write down all of our times tables. Let me show you how. Yeah, so you start off by writing this: 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and so on. And to find this square root, you look at the last number, and you just look at 5 for now, and you see which square roots or squares end in 5. And it's not 1, it's not 2, it's not 3, it's not 4, it's only 5 over here. So you know that your answer is going to end in a 5. So you cross out the last two digits, and you don't look at square root of 25 is 5. You don't look at that fact because it may be something else, but for now it is. So square root of 25 is 5, but you don't do it. So moving on, we know our last number is 5. Now we look at a square which is less than 12 but not more than 12. So if you look here, 1 is less than 12, but there is also something over here which is less than 12. So there's something over here which is less than 12, but 16 is more than 12. So what you're going to do, you have 9, you know that your number is going to begin in a 3, so the answer is 35, because 9 is smaller than 12, and there is no other number which is smaller. 16 is larger, so that's basically it. And I'm going to be showing you a couple of more examples so that you get it. Okay, so we have the square root of 6,561, and this is how you're going to find it. Again, look at the last number, which squares end in 1. So the only one that ends in 1 is 1. So you know that your ending number is 1. And then you cross out the last two digits. If it's 4 digit or if it's 3 digit, you always cross out the last two digits. Now you look at 65. What is 65 between in these squares? Like, it's between something that's less and something that's more. So if you look at 64 and 81, 64 is less than 65, and 81 is more than 65. So it's going to be perfect, and you know that the answer is 8, and that is your answer, and that is how basic it really is. The square root is 81 squared. Okay, another example I'm going to be doing this, and you have the square root of 3,136. Now this is basic, but this is a bit different. So you have to look at the last digit, which is the 6, and you have to see which one of these end in a 6. So you know it's 16 and it's 36. You put down the square root of 16, it's 4. The square root of 36 is 6. So you write 4 or 6. Could be either one of them ending. And it's also 2 digit, guys. Okay. But you just cross out that for now and look at 31. Which number is less than 31? 36 is more and 25 is less, so our guess is it's going to begin in a 5. And now for 4 and 6. So what you basically do is you do 5 times the next number, so 5 times 6, because in real it would be 5 times the next number, or 2 times the next number, or 3 times the next number. So it's 3 times 4, 2 times 3, and 1 times 2, and stuff like that. So you have 30. But which one is it, 4 or 6? Well, it's an easy method really. What you're going to be doing is, if the 31 is more than this answer, so if the last digit is more than this answer, then it's going to be the bigger number, 6. In which case we know it's 6, so it's not 4, just cross that out. It's 6. 56 squared. Yeah. But if it was smaller, then you would pick 4. Okay, so I think I explained it well, or you may not think that, but I think that. And thank you all so much for watching this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe. And I guess I will see you all in the next video.